racing with cars, special tycoons. This is a tycoon.
That is Lights Tycoon. And if you guys want to see my tycoon, I might actually like reset my character to show you guys my tycoon. 1 minute, Light, can you come to my tycoon? Let's go to my tycoon. Just follow me, okay? I have my
This is a
Tesmo.
new update. It's called the Ice update.
Ice race.
Ice. Yeah, Ice race.
Follow me.
This is the recommended car for it. As you can see, I have 10 million. I'm a millionaire.
Okay, follow me now.
Where are you?
I'm here, right behind, right beside your Speed is Life Tycoon. Yeah, follow me. Go slowly. Don't go very quick.
This car is super fast. Wait, I thought this was your tycoon.
No, this is my tycoon.
Christmas, wait, you just finished it. Wow, boy cars.
Yes, boy cars.
Boy cars.
I mean, you don't need to park it if you don't want to. But who cares? Let's go inside Tycoon. Shall we do a Tycoon tour? What?
Still did not finish this Tycoon, huh?
No, it's only 88%.
88%. Okay. You want more money? I can donate you.
No, I don't want to be acting as a poor person. No, I want to gain my own money. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's go through the elevator. Why not? You have permission to go through my elevator.
Yeah. Wait. I will show you my Tycoon also, guys.
Yeah, let's go through the elevator. Even though it's a car elevator, we act as a human elevator.
No, it's a human and car elevator.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Wait. Wait, let me sit in your car. Never mind. Bye.
Yeah, bye. I'm going to destroy your place.
Wait, no, don't do that.
Where is the car? That thing, like that car door.
Oh, I'll just show you where it is. Follow me. Come to the elevator.
Wait, I'm going through your car.
Come to the elevator. I will show you the exit. Follow me in here. I'll open it. 1 second. Yeah, I opened it. Go. Bye. Never come back.
I'll show you my Tycoon, guys. Wait, this is new. This is old. Wait, this is new. No, this is old. I'm getting confused.
1 minute. Let me also come to your Tycoon. And if you guys want to equip the, spike tires, you need to pay it with money technically.
Yeah, first you need to go to the
garage and then yeah, that's how you have the type.
Garage, and you need to select a car and this is a spikes. You can off it, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see there are no like those white spikes like car tires. But if I go here and click on this, you need to buy it, guys. First, I already bought it, so I don't need to buy it.
Let's do the tour.
I turned off
Light.
The
Light, let's do the tour. I'm at your Tycoon.
Tour, yeah, I forgot about it. But why didn't I show my Tycoon first? I don't need to park in my own Tycoon.
Even I did not, sorry.
Wait, actually it's like you parked. Okay, this is, actually I don't know the car.
Hello there, I'm the worker of law. Okay, let's play Among Us.
Wait, what?
Let's play. Yeah, let's play Among Us.
Okay. Don't tell him I'm the imposter. He doesn't know anything.
And he killed me also. Okay, goodbye. Oh no, I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
This is not supposed to. You're not supposed to play Among Us.
I'm stuck. Light, I'm stuck.
What?
I'm stuck.
Can I be stuck? Wait, I'm not stuck. I can just go like this. Oh, you just jumped.
Okay, so this is the tour of Lights thing
because as you can see here, it is $9 million. So
that is a very poo-poo car. I don't like it.
No, it's literally $9 million.
it's poo poo.
Are you kidding me? But this car is poo poo because it is like $215,000.
And this is special. I like this.
Surely.
I like this. I like this.
Yeah, because you also have that car.
And it's Christmas themed. That
Santa Week West.
yeah.
We need to find all the parts. This thing.
Let me go to your bathroom and poop your toilet. 1 second.
We don't need to do that. Okay, no, thank you.
Yeah, I'm already
This
doing
is
it.
Tesla Roadster. Everyone knows it, but in the game it's Tesla Roadster.
Don't tell him I ate spicy tacos last night.
Dirt races.
Don't tell Lightning, but I ate spicy tacos last night and he doesn't know I'm doing an explosion in here. Don't come into the bathroom.
This lagger. Wait, why did I keep this car in my Tycoon?
Don't come to the bathrooms.
I will not. Wait, why will I come to a bathroom when a person is there in the bathroom?
I don't know because you usually do that.
Tesla Cybertruck. Yeah, but it is written Hypertruck. Yeah, because it's copyright like that. SSK Todora. Wait, I did not put the new car that's there.
Let me go poo poo on the side. Let me go poo poo on light second floor also. Do an explosion.
Wait, no need.
Yeah, let's go. I'm going in there. Bye.
Yes, wait, I don't know why I kept this car. Okay, don't judge me.
Okay, let's go poo poo. Hey!
That's
Don't.
a room in the bathroom. Okay, I'm going to. Wait, I don't know what.
Don't you dare come
I'm
in
gonna lock
here.
you in that door.
Don't. Wait, no, wait, no.
Wait, I'm gonna go outside and race with some people. And guys, I'm gonna do a small ice race with Undercover Boy. And Undercover Boy, come here.
Come
Undercover
in.
Boy, stop pooping.
I already finished it. Bye. Wait, 1 second. You don't close your door. Robbers can come in and steal your money.
Wait, I don't have money there. I only have cars there. Actually, these are the original cars. Okay, let's just do an ice race. And only a spike.
Last one to reach the ice race is a rotten poop. Bye.
My car is fast, okay. Wait, where's the ice race? Oh no, I just forgot where's the ice race. No. Okay, the loser should pay 100k to the winners.
Yeah, I already
Not
came.
100k, 50k. The loser should pay 50k to the winners. That's all.
Wait, let's do 5 laps. Wait, no, not 5 laps. Do 3 laps. 5 laps is too long.
Okay then. I'm an expert driver actually, but I don't know if I'm expert now also.
Shall I take the quietest truck in the whole world? Quietest.
Tesmo Cybertruck.
Yes, test.
Tesla Cybertruck.
Yeah. 1 minute. Wait. I need to go.
You need to go to the. What?
I don't know.
Let's go. Okay, the winner should pay $500. Not 500, 500k. Wait, that is too much. No. Only 50k. Yeah, 50k.
I suck at racing.
But why do you suck at racing? It's literally so easy. You need to turn like this, like this.
I definitely do.
It's literally easiest. Wait, you're still there?
Yeah, I'm still there because I crashed into the, side walls.
What? It's literally so easy. See the cost. I'm not accelerating. And by the way, I got the gifts. Like all the gifts.
Can you tell me where they are?
I can still see the gifts. Wait, did you collect all the
No, I did not.
I collected all those 100 gifts and I got 2 cars. One is Ferrari some car, I don't know the name. The Ferrari, I know that. And another car is some Haya car, HAYA. Oh, no, that's the worst thing ever happened to me. No, wait, come on, just, wait, I can't. Wait, why can't I? Oh, no. Oh no, he's coming, he's coming.
Come here, boy.
I literally won, I was like panicking. Wait, I think you are in your second lap, right? Yeah, of course you are in second lap.
No. I finished the race.
Finish the race?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, so you need to give me 50. Actually, I will only give you 1
No, I'll give you. Wait, 1 second, I'll give you. But first I need to collect this gift.
Oh, they literally donated that much.
Wait, how much did you donate me?
$50,000.
How dare you?
What? How dare you? I did not take $50,000. I just gave you.
Yeah, you should never give to you should never give to an undercover person $50,000.
I'm gonna go and race. Wait, I found a sack of these things. Let me just deliver one. I already delivered. I already got the gifts, as you can see here.
Wait, I still have 9 hours left for the week 3 to be finished.
Yeah, then the Santa thing will just go. The event will go.
Wait. So once we get the Ferrari, then we directly get the next car.
Yeah, we get that. What's that car name?
Is that faster than SSK?
No, that is like so much slower than SSK.
What about Ferrari?
Ferrari is also slower than SSK.
Oh, then I don't want it because I want a car at least faster than SSK in events.
Bro, I have a car faster than SSK, literally.
In events, I need it.
In events, you'll never get it. Maybe you will get it, I don't know. Okay, we will race highway race in street.
Nah, I think I want to collect some gifts.
Okay. Wait, if you want to collect some gifts, you don't like those cars, right? But
They look cool.
unfortunately, just want to show the viewers all these cars. Like, one car is this thing, Ferrari 488, Rosto, I can't pronounce it.
I call it Ferrari.
Ferrari goes fast, actually, not super fast.
Wait. I call it as Ferrari 488 Prosto.
Wait, I think it's Spanish. Okay, this car goes in 193. Wait, what is that? Because you have this Lamborghini Hurricane, right?
Yeah, I have Lamborghini Hurricane.
Yeah, actually this Ferrari thing, okay, it goes a bit faster than Lamborghini Hurricane. But another car is there, that Broconi Haya. It goes like, wait, let me just. It goes. Wait, I can't see it.
I took the most quietest car in the whole world, and especially it's a truck.
Cybertruck, of course. Yeah, hey, actually, you do that race event thing because Progani Haya is a decent speed car. It's 207.
I have only 48 gifts, literally. I have only collected 48 gifts.
Wait, what? Why?
I don't know. I have to collect 100, literally. Why 100? I know they gave us like 9 days, but I wasted 9 days by playing other games, but who cares? I don't. So,
Yeah, he only plays Speaky, guys. His favorite game is Speaky.
hey, At least Piggy is not that hard. For you, it probably is, but for me, it's not.
Yeah, that's why you play it a lot.
Yup. And I also need to complete Holiday Hustle, so that's why.
Wait, Holiday Hustle? I don't know what is that.
That's an event in Piggy. That's the snow event in Piggy. I mean, Christmas event.
Oh, okay.
You already
But
have
you
some
just go.
experience playing that.
Yeah, I think I have. Wait, let me just go to street race and race. Because it's street race and we should race in street race.
Oh my god, please, please let me in. Thank you. Wait, yeah. Wait, no. Yeah, let me in. Okay.
Wait, what are you even talking about?
My car was not letting me in.
Wow.
I know. First, my car kicked me out. Second, my car doesn't want me to go in.
Okay, let me just do highway race.
You can do highway race, but first I need to get some gifts. And yes, yeah, this is how you collect the gifts and stuff and deliver it to houses. You can play this game in mobile, PC, yeah, like that.
Yeah, of course we can play all the Roblox games in mobile, PC, everything.
I think mobile is easier, right?
No, PC is easier.
For me, mobile is even easier, literally, because I can collect gifts from very
Because
far.
you often play in mobile than PC.
Yeah, but now I have a laptop.
Doing a alone race, nobody is racing with me.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Even I will also. Wait, can you actually do an alone race?
Yeah, of course we can do.
Wow, I never knew that. I just got to know.
But I'm going to go on top speed.
Oh, I found cheese. I found. Oh wait, no, that's not cheese. Okay, that's a star. Never mind.
No. Worst thing happened. I just fell out of the trap.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it's nice. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, let me just go at top speed without crashing into something.
Someone's tycoon name is Bad Cars. Why is their car so bad?
Because I don't know. How would I know?
Their cars are literally so bad. I guess that's why it's literally written.
Okay, I crashed. That's the wait.
Best thing ever by lightning. He crashed.
No, it's the worst thing in the whole world.
Comment down below in one of our videos is it if it's the best thing ever or the worst thing ever.
Yeah, come. Of course, it's the worst thing. How can it be the best thing?
At least it's not real life, okay? It's just a game. Real life meaning it would be obviously it would be worst thing. In game it would be the best thing.
Imagine if you crash into something. Okay, now I'm going at top speed.
Okay, now I found a sack of presents.
No. Wait,
So yeah, guys.
I didn't cross the finish line. Oh no.
Okay, so guys, yeah, this is a special thing, okay? So technically, wait, let me go to first person. Yeah, so technically you might find these actually. They're actually like two presents in one bag and they give you like double the presents in this.
Yeah.
Wait, did I collect that or something? No, wait, it disappeared.
Wait, where are you?
I'm at the ice race. I found a sack of presents, but they disappeared right before I was going to collect them.
Yeah, even I wanted to collect it. Like I already finished it, but it just disappeared. But I just want to off those spikes. I don't know why I on those spikes. Or not.
Wait, let me just try.
It's the color of my car. I guess I should.
Wait, I actually want to try if how it will feel like without spikes on the ice race.
Wait, actually this color is good. A bit good. This is the original color.
Wait, it's literally so normal. we can do these races without spikes also. Oh, never mind. I actually like turned and then yeah. Oh no, it's the worst thing. Ah, help!
I don't know which color to choose.
Choose
I
green.
don't know any Roombugs things.
Roombucks? Wait, did I say Roombucks?
No, I said Robux, not Roombugs. It's not Roman bucks.
Roman bucks.
I think this color looks good. Yeah,
Roombucks.
this color looks good.
Roombucks, get it?
Wait, you are near ice race, right?
Yeah, and I also crossed ice race.
Hello, ice race, come to ice race.
Ice racer. Hi, yeah, where are you right now?
I just came to ice race.
Can you see me doing
Oh,
some
you-
things?
Yeah, you're doing something.
Ah, help! I don't have spikes! I don't have spikes! I'm going random areas.
Wait, even I.
Oh no! No! Lightning!
5 laps. Without
Lightning!
spikes.
Come to the waterfall.
Wait, water, what?
Waterfall! Help me! I'm sinking.
You're sinking.
Help me! Oh no, my clothes are so wet. Help me! Come to the waterfall!
Very wet.
Come to the waterfall!
You can just reset your character if you.
No, come to the waterfall!
I'm doing a race.
Don't you dare do the race.
Okay, I'm sorry. I need to do that.
No, you can do the race actually if you want.
Oh no. Wait. I can't control my car.
Help me, I'm stuck. Help.
Wait. We need the spikes or else we'll be slippery. Yeah. We can't even do the race.
Lightning, please come to the waterfall. I'm telling you this like a million times.
But I can't. Wait. Yeah, I will quit this race.
Yeah,
But
quit it.
I will at least do. Wait. Racing without spikes is the hardest. Let me turn them on. Wait, I'm just driving.
I can literally
Yeah, now
see you. Help me.
Wait, I should help you, right? Without racing.
No, you can. Wait. There's a person who has more money than you. I can like literally see that.
How much money does he have?
He has like 900. Wait, what? 964,000.
Bro, he doesn't even have 1 million, and I have 10.4 million, and you're saying, oh my god.
Wait. His name is I Hate Slender.
Yeah, he's my friend in Roblox, literally.
Wait, then why is he on top of the leaderboard? Why is he the top on leader?
Because he has more miles than me. I have like 8.4.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, but I'm the richest in the server.
Did you know I know who I was?
Oh no.
Wait, which place am I on the leaderboard?
First, second. Wait, I can't.
Wait, I'm 1 million.
Wait, you have 1 million?
Yeah, look at the leaderboard.
Wait, I think you have 1 million for the first time in the game.
Heck yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna give you 2 million. No, I can't donate you.
Hey, no, don't you dare.
Wait, I'll give you 250k.
No, don't do that either.
Wait, why should I not do that?
You should not even you should not even donate a single money.
Oh,
Single piece of money.
single piece of money?
Yes.
Just the amount, not piece.
No, I will say it
Money,
peace.
not a piece.
Peace. No, it's peace. Don't you dare talk like that. I don't know what I'm saying, okay? Don't question it. Ice race sucks. I'm gonna go to some other area.
Actually, it doesn't suck so much.
Oh yeah, I found a
I
present.
won the race.
Wait, I ran over the present. Santa's probably mad, but I don't care.
Wait, there are two people. Wait, I will simply just race with them. Ice race.
Okay.
Okay, I should wait, why are they crashing into something? Just race.
Because they're probably noobs in this race. They're probably bacons.
Well, one guy has a Tesla, I think. Yeah, that is Tesla. And another guy has. Oh, what's that car? No, I don't know.
What happened?
Why are people just crazily
What is
crashing
going
into
on?
each other?
Oh, crashing. What the heck is wrong with people nowadays?
I don't know.
You should.
No, I will never. Wait,
You-
let me just race. Complete the race, then I'll talk with you. Because this is 5 laps. And I'm losing. I mean, I'm winning. But okay, I'm losing.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
No, I'm losing. Literally. Wait, I'm in the. Okay, okay, now everything's. No, now I'm literally losing. I'm literally losing. Wait, can I overtake them? Just overtake them. Wait, I can, I think. Yeah, I can. No, I can't. Hey, I just want to overtake those people.
They won't let you, probably.
Okay, one guy just crashed into something. No, even I crashed. Hey, come on. Why does this car take so much time?
Why do you crash into things? I thought you. Wait, in the starting of the video, if you roll it, he said that, bro, I'm the best in the drive. I'm best in driving.
No, this is Ice Race. It literally released yesterday or something.
Yeah, it released yesterday. I saw the update yesterday.
Wait, you would see. You would see. I will not crash this time.
You probably did. Once I check your video, I will see. I have to get the proof if my friend crashed or not.
Wait, actually, I will do another race. This race is turning into a disaster.
I'm just searching gifts. I don't care about
Wait,
any.
oh my goodness. I'm just leading. Oh, I just overtook her.
Wait, you're leading?
Okay. Yeah. No, I'm not leading. Or I am. Okay.
How dare you?
I'm just crashing. Oh, boy. Wait, did I switch on the spikes? I think I did not. That's right. Okay, this guy crashed. That's the best thing. Okay, now I'm going to overtake. Yeah, let's go.
I'm finding gifts everywhere. Oh my god, help me, somebody.
What? You're finding gifts and you need help for what?
I think I need a lot of help for this. How am I so lucky?
See, I'm leading right now. I'm leading.
You're not wait, where are you leading on the leaderboard?
Leading in the race, okay? Not leading in the leaderboard.
I thought you will lead because see, technically you have to lead on the leaderboard, okay? No, see guys, I told you my car would kick me out of the seat.
Yeah, even my car just disobeyed me. Okay,
Wait,
the last
today I will have a challenge. Today I need to find all the 100 gifts in this video.
Yeah, of course. Wait, in the video, can you even do that?
I don't know
Maybe
if I can.
Off camera finding gifts.
Yeah, let's do off camera finding
Comment
gifts.
to our video or something like that.
Okay, let's.
Wait, hurry this. No.
Let's pause the video.
Heavy, my car can't.
Yeah, guys. So I unpaused the video and let's see what let's see what lightning is doing.
This car.
Lightning, stop doing what you're doing.
I really want to crash your car because it's the best thing ever. Oh no.
Goodbye.
Wait, this is my
Yeah, I'll crash into your tycoon. Take this! I'm crashing into your tycoon.
Wait, why are you crashing into my tycoon?
Because it's the worst tycoon in the whole world. And mine is also the worst tycoon in the whole world.
And guys, if you were just wondering how am I opening and closing the leaderboard, I'm pressing tab in my keyboard, so yeah, like that.
Hey, can you please be quiet? I'm trying to concentrate on collecting gifts.
You can just mute me or something like that.
I don't have any mute option.
Wait, now I have 10,736,000. Something like that.
Oh, I found a sack of presents. I got the lucky stuff.
The most luckiest stuff, I think.
Yeah, so you get double gifts for this, guys, if you wonder why.
Yeah, I'm just going to grind off camera. So, I will
Don't
be
off
back
camera,
when
how dare you? You can't just tell your viewers to like wait and until you again start the video.
So, guys, I'm going to be back when I get 11 million for fun. Okay? Jay, can you still hear me? Hello.
Shh, guys, this is a prank. So lightning doesn't know that that I actually can hear him, but he doesn't know I'm doing a prank right now.
Yeah, I can hear you. That okay?
Oh no, I forgot to mute. I'm the dumbest person in the whole world. I literally don't know what I'm talking about.
11 million. Wait, I still did not get 11 million.
My viewers can see what you're
So
doing.
the people who are viewing in his channel, okay, and I still get 11 million, and I'm still grinding. I just have 10,780,000.
Yeah, see, my friend is very dumb at doing stuff, so that's why.
Doing stuff.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Not.
He's
No,
very
doing
dumb
stuff.
at doing stuff.
Oh no.
And if you guys want to like and subscribe for more, please tell us in the comments and also like and subscribe, even though I'd already told you guys what to do.
I should have a random person.
Oh no! That was very epic. Did you guys see what I just did? Comment below if you saw what I did right now.
I can't see that.
You don't have to.
When I just crashed one
You're
time,
not
so I
invited to
just-
my channel. Who said you are? You're not.
So bad.
Me. Who? Me. Me.
Yeah, you.
Why me?
I don't know you.
Oh, you don't know me? So, if you guys don't know, this is technically Santa's house. Wait, let me just show you in first person.
Wait, Santa's house.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is where the week 2 was
Yes,
being built, and week 1 was technically here. And yes, I have done the week 1. Yes, this is the view of the whole room.
Wait, I found a bag of presents. But
Yeah,
I
that
don't
gives you
remember
double
it.
the gifts. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, you already probably know that. But who cares? I just told you again.
Hello. Bye.
Wait, did you tell me that?
Yeah, I just passed you with my super fast car.
No, you never did that ever in your life. Wait, there's a gift in front of Santa's house? This was not here before. Epic.
No, someone just crashed me.
I got an epic stuff right now. I did some very epic stuff right now. Guys, if you want me to if you want me to be a noob in this game, well, here you go.
What did you do? I think you fell off the mountain.
No. I'm doing the best challenge ever. My challenge is to go in Fionn multiply the whole video.
What? No, but you probably should do it in the next video that you will upload.
No, I already did this. No, I'm already doing it. It's my choice on what I'm doing, not yours. You're not my dad.
Lol.
Lol. I found another gift over here. Lamau. How long is this video literally?
Maybe
2 hours? Who will watch this video if it's 2 hours?
maybe half an hour.
I guess we should like stop the video now. What do you think?
Wait, did you pass the video?
No.
Yeah, I'm just doing random stuff with my, wait, I don't know.
Why are you doing random stuff? Who told you to do random stuff? Huh?
So guys, I thought I would be back with 11 million, but
Officially he is not because he has the world's slowest car.
oh yeah. Wait, I should actually reduce the volume of the desktop thing. Oh. Yeah, now I will have only 9.
Wait, if I want to jump in a car it slows my speed. Wait, what?
Wait, I'm getting 1000 per mile, I think.
Viewers, if you see this, I technically I don't want my friend to see this, but yes, I technically have so many
Yeah,
gifts.
I'm gonna
Lol.
watch you if you
No, don't you dare do that. So see how many gifts I have. Oh my god, I'm so close.
driving in the spot. Wait,
Wait,
not
wait.
drive too fast.
Lightning.
God,
You know how many gifts I have?
2 gifts. I mean 42. No. 56 gifts.
No, I have only 3 gifts. I'm not kidding. Lightning, if you just view my video, if you like after this, if you like view my video, you probably will see it.
Let's see. Wait, no. That day you collected like 7 or 8 gifts, and you literally told that in the beginning or like in the video during the video you literally told that you had like 43, 42 gifts.
That was technically a lie.
Lie,
Ha 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 ha! That was a very good lie.
No, you're really kidding.
I'm not.
Wait, why are the 2 curses on my thing? I don't know.
2 cursors?
11 million.
Can you speak louder?
Wait, what?
Can you speak louder?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Wait, do that again.
Can you hear me? Bro, I'm going to shower when I get home. Yes, 11 million, let's go!
What are you doing? What are you even saying?
I said that I have 11 million.
I have 1.1 million now.
I was grinding so much.
Hey, do you know how much money do I have? Guess how much money I have.
Wait. You have 1.1 million.
I know you saw the leaderboard.
Yeah, of course I saw it.
No, I told you to guess it, not see it. Viewers, as you can see, I made my screen more brighter. Okay, so guys, I think that's. Oh, wait, no, wait. I can't just leave a gift alone. Wait, after delivering this gift, I will end the video, guys, because it's too much. And yeah, and I also have so much of work to do after this. I need to. Yeah, I need to
Yeah, he
go.
need to make more videos.
Yeah, I will make more videos after this also, like after some time, if you guys want me to. And if you guys want to see more, please, I'm again telling you this. If you guys want to see more, please say in the comments, I want to see more, very loudly, okay? Like you have to like
So
type.
that's where I came to my dealership. I want to end the video.
Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. I need to deliver the gift and come to your dealership and then you can do that.
Okay. Till then I will just roam around the whole map again.
Spam area? Wait, did you say spam area?
Map area, map area.
Oh, okay. I heard it as spam area. Wait. Oh my god, this is the rarest day ever. Can you guys see what I just see?
What?
Can you guys see what I'm just seeing? Oh my god. Where I need this. Oh my god, I'm gonna get a free car today. Lies.
Yeah. Well, let me just park my car.
Don't come to the park. Okay?
Yeah.
No, don't come to the park, please no. And if you see a Tesmo Cybertruck anywhere around the park, around surroundings of the park, please don't go there.
Okay. I would really not go there, okay?
Yeah. Okay, so lightning doesn't know what I'm doing, okay?
Oh no, I just fell out of the world. What a glitch. What a glitch.
Wait, I knew you were going to come after me.
I should just reset my character.
Okay, now we need to escape before lightning gets me. Go. Lightning probably doesn't know what car I'm using.
So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.
Yeah.
And
And comment in both of our videos and like and subscribe and share this. I don't know why we both are talking at the same time, but yeah, it's good. And yes, also hit the notification bell if you want to see both of our videos getting uploaded daily. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.